of that. Okay. The border style property specifies what kind of border to display. I create a new paragraph. This is a dotted border and set class dotted. Open curly bracket and set border style dotted. Save. You see this border is dotted. I create a new paragraph with dashed. A dashed open curly bracket and the border style to be dashed. Save. There you go. And another one is solid. Solid open curly bracket and border style solid. Save. There you go. I can set border width. The border width property specifies width of the four borders. The border width property can have from 1 to 4 values. For the top border, right, bottom, and left border. For example, I create a new paragraph. This paragraph contain border width. Okay. And set a class sample1. Set border style, for example, dashed, and set border width 5 pixels. 5 pixels, and it means that 5 pixels from the top, right side, bottom, and left side. Save. I change the pixels to be 15. The border, you see, and change the border. Top border, right, bottom, and left side. I said to 5 is better. Okay, I create another paragraph. This paragraph is second one with border, and set class to second and open curly bracket, border style to be solid, and border width, for example, say okay. For example, I want set 2 pixels from the top, 10 pixels from the right, and 4 pixels from the bottom, and 20 pixels from the left. Save. There you go. I can change the border style and the border width. Okay, I can change the border color. For example, border color for this one to be red. Save. Perfect. I changed the border color. Or I can set different color for each side. Border color, for example, green for the top border, yellow for the left border, red for the bottom border, and blue for the right border. Save. Green, yellow, red, and blue. There you go. I can specify each of the borders. For example, create a new paragraph. This paragraph use different borders and set class to different. For example, border top is dotted, border right is solid, border bottom is dotted, and border left is solid again. Save. And the border top is dotted, solid, dotted, solid. Border width, for example, 5 pixels. To see better. Okay, great. You can use different borders, different colors for individual borders and individual sides. I will see you in the next lecture.